For over 40 years, Rev-A-Shelf's dedication to innovative product design has established them as the global manufacturing leader of functional storage organizing accessories for residential and commercial cabinetry. What started with molding the first polymer Lazy Susan has now developed into a broad spectrum of materials, including plastics, metals, and wood. Over the years, the Rev-A-Shelf product line has expanded outside of the cabinet to include wood range hoods, floating shelves, and LED lighting. At Rev-A-Shelf, people are at the heart of everything they do. They take pride in going the extra mile to ensure the customer's success and guarantee complete satisfaction. Their dedicated employees deliver craftsmanship that shines through in high-quality products, all backed by an industry-leading warranty. Rev-A-Shelf is headquartered in Louisville, Kentucky, with manufacturing facilities in Kentucky, Indiana, and Mexico, and a network of global supply partners in Italy, Taiwan, China, Vietnam, India, and Thailand. As a Tier 1 supplier to OEM cabinet manufacturers, Rev-A-Shelf products can be found in every major brand of cabinet in North America. Their diverse product line, including Lazy Susans, pull-out waste containers, drawer organizers, pantry pullouts, wood range hoods, floating shelves, and Tresco lighting, serves a wide range of customers with good, better, best options that are available through thousands of retailers and over 250 distributors worldwide. Rev-A-Shelf's mantra is to provide the best quality, service, and innovation through a global network of strategically located factories and partners, ensuring supply chain redundancy, efficient production, and reliable delivery. This commitment allows them to offer customers high-quality products and services at the most competitive prices. Rev-A-Shelf is a division of Jones Plastic and Engineering, a leading custom injection molder specializing in engineering services, product design, and contract manufacturing of injection molded components and subassemblies. The company serves various industries, including power sports, appliances, and automotive sectors. The shared resources with parent company Jones Plastic propels us above the competition and is another reason why Rev-A-Shelf is the partner you can count on.